Hello children. Children, nowadays we see very less trees on both sides of the roads, right? So, it has been 5th June is an environmental day. On that particular day, we all are planting at least one tree on both the sides of the road. Sometimes we plant the trees in our school ground, in our garden. Because of the global warming, children, day by day the pollution is increasing and the trees are being less planted. So, what happens? The hot atmosphere increases and it affects the life of the regular human beings, right? So, in this particular poem also, Sudarshan Gopal says that one day where he went, let us see that what he is telling about the trees, what is the condition nowadays in the city or on the streets or on the road. So, let me explain you today the Lost Trees poem. Okay children, let's start. After a long time out of my city, I went to visit my sister who lived down the street. Sudarshan Gopal is telling that after a long time, I came out from my house and I decided to go to my sister's house. But when I was passing through the street, oh my God, what I am seeing? There are no trees, at least 1 year, 2 trees are only there on the road. The road which was once full of greenery, nowadays there is not a single tree also on this particular road. So, once which street was full of trees, now had no trees. As I said, he is telling that once this particular street was full of trees. Now, I cannot see a single tree over here, or at least 1 year, 2 trees are being seen over here. Everywhere you see only lamps. Now, the street lamps are standing off, and where the street lamps are being kept, if the trees are there, the trees are being cut. So, surrounded by some concrete means, and the street lamps are also there, and the atmosphere, the streets are being surrounded by big concretes. Concretes means the buildings which are built by sand and cement. Everywhere, wherever I see on both the sides of the road, I can see buildings and buildings, and no trees are being seen. So, Sudarshan Gopal is really surprised that, oh my God, what is the situation nowadays? No trees, no greenery, the atmosphere is getting day by day polluted. What is going wrong? I was shocked to see this plight, this scene. The poet is telling that, oh my God, I am really very shocked. Of trees still being cut of varied heights, big trees are being cut down only because of certain reasons. Hey my friends, don't cut trees. The poet is telling that please, it is better to plant more and more trees because we are getting rain, we are getting water because of these trees. Now, if there will be no trees, there will be no water, no rain. So, my dear children, my dear friends, take a vow that at least once in a year you will plant one tree, right? So, if you want to stay on the world which is a light means which is burning. Nowadays you see there is no atmosphere proper, no fresh air is there, everywhere you will see certain pollutions. So, the poet is telling that if you want to live a very healthy life, plant more and more trees. This particular poem, children, is written by Sudarshan Gopal. Now, what the tree is telling, see, oh my God, they too have a life, right children? If we are getting a little hurt, how we are screaming, how the blood is coming out, but these trees are still standing still and not speaking a word, but they too get tears. What the tree is telling? Don't cut our best friends. One tree is telling about other. Plant a tree and add a new friend in your life. Love that particular plant and pour water with full love and care. the fruits which will grow over there will be really very sweet, tasty and wonderful. So, I hope so children, if once in a year you will plant a tree. Thank you. Have a nice day.